First alert weather days today and Friday because of this winter storm moving in. A mix of snow and sleet, even some cold rain at times. So you're waking up now at 5:44, almost 5:45, looking at the first alert radar thinking, okay, it's here. And yes, it is in some spots. Some of the returns not reaching the ground fully yet. This will change over the next couple of hours. Want to show you right now in the Metroplex. Still remaining nice and dry. But as you take a look through parts of Parker County, now seeing some snow moving in, or at least right now it's showing up on our radar as snow. Not getting any verification of this yet at the surface in Palo Pinto County, but we are seeing some roadways a little bit slick. I think it's mainly cold rain that may be mixing in with some sleet. That's going to be the story through at least the next few hours before the column of the moisture and the atmosphere cools down enough to possibly see more of that sleet happening for us. But off and on through the day today, it's sleet to then maybe some cold rain, but we show it right now through parts of Hood County, stretching our way down through parts of Somervell County, seeing some of the sleet moving in. Same story back through the Morgan Mill area to near Stephenville, all the way back through parts of Eastland. So we're seeing the precipitation moving its way on in. Remember, we've had dry air at the mid levels, so we need that dry air to really kind of moisten up a bit more to then get this precipitation all the way down to the ground. That is going to be happening over the next couple of hours. You're going to be noticing that as you're going to be heading out on the roads. Upper level low is still back down to the southwest. We don't want you to be heading out on the roads for today. Conditions will be deteriorating through the day ahead into the afternoon hours. Wanted to show you the temperatures. We're at 36 degrees at DFW. This has not changed too much. Across parts of the Metroplex, we're near the freezing mark, slightly above in Denton and McKinney. We're at 36 in Grand Prairie to 33 in Bridgeport to 35 Lancaster. Where we are seeing the precipitation falling now, 35. But notice Breckenridge and Stephenville now have come down to 34. That's a sign to me that as this precipitation is falling, it's pulling the heat out of the atmosphere. So we're seeing those temperatures cooling down. You will notice that as we go through the morning hours in the Metroplex. So this is what's new as you're just now joining us. Possible bands of 8 to 10 inches of snow. Red River counties, 2 to 5 inches of snow sleet mix along and north of I-20. It's going to be rain sleet mix most of the afternoon. Where can we expect that? Where can we expect the possibility of some of those heavy snow bands? Mainly Collin County up through the Bonham area up to near Paris. A lot of this will not see that, but from the north sides of the Metroplex, possibly that 4 to 5 inches of snow is going to be possible. The banding mainly up to the northeast sides of Collin County. Now, through the Metroplex, 2 to 5 inches of snow and sleet. That's what's changed. And then about 1 inch to 2 inches, the south sides of North Texas, of rain, maybe some sleet mixing in. So the winter storm warning and winter weather advisories continue until noon tomorrow. That does include all of the Metroplex under the winter storm warning. So the first alert futurecast shows how we will fill in 6, 7 to 8 o'clock. We have that rain to then that sleet mix to then the snow, mainly in our Red River counties. But watch as we go towards midday how we could see temperatures warming up just a couple of degrees to give us mainly a cold rain before then it transitions again late this afternoon to the overnight hours to then all snow for us. Light snow in the morning hours exiting from west east and clouds exiting west east. It's all because of this low pressure center that's going to be tracking its way north and east and then pulls that warm Gulf air over this colder air mass that's moving in. So your first alert 7-day forecast shows for today we make it up to about 33 degrees. That's the best. So hovering just near that freezing mark. Friday 38 degrees. It's a first alert weather day for the morning hours because of the winter storm. We will see some melting for us, but then Saturday morning a refreeze before the sunshine gets all of this stuff on out of here this weekend.